Velo cost figures for the years 2023, 2025, 2030. In a for the most part significant manner, we here explicitly will give you the 10 years nitty-gritty cost expectations for Velo in a for the most part significant way. The Velo for the most part has rapidly acquired pretty incredible consideration that crypto financial backers generally are interested, and looking through the inquiries like especially is Velo a very wise speculation. Is Velo genuinely worth purchasing in 2023 in a significant manner? What will basically be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025 and 2030? How high could Velo at any point go? Our aid will provide you with a thought of the Velo expected development and its cost forecast, all from profound specialized examination to crucial past cost graphs in a sort of enormous manner. Velo especially past value examination in a huge manner. As per the most recent market information, today the cost of Velo is $0.025 and Velo is presently especially positioned number 522 in the sort of whole crypto market. The course supply of Velo is 1,229,925,310 with a market cap of $31,167,110 in absolute most recent 24 hours. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Velo's cost basically has shown a decent increment of 12.56% in the truly most recent 24 hours. Velo especially is as yet confronting and in every practical sense, difficult time jumping aboard, with commonly other crypto coins on the lookout, which is genuinely huge. The Velo is down to nearly 34.22% in the absolute most recent 7 days in a genuinely enormous manner. The coin essentially is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for kind of beyond couple of days. The coin could have kind of solid basics at the same time. We don't imagine that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. Nonetheless, after the contrasting the in every practical sense, current cost esteem with commonly beyond 30 days cost history, it basically is seen that Velo has expanded 91.04% in its cost esteem. The exceptionally normal kind of least cost for the 1 month is $0.002, while most extreme in every practical sense, normal cost really was $0.002, or so they thought. This suggests that this coin is a reasonable resource and another expansion to your arrangement of coins for long haul. The 90 days cost change generally is around 95.57%. And the cost truly coursed from a base typical worth of $0.001 to truly greatest truly normal worth of $0.001 in the beyond 90 days. In most recent 4 months Velo really has shown a developing pattern. Subsequently, we imagine that comparable pieces of the market sort of were very famous at that period in a significant manner. As indicated by the kind of the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Velo really is expanded from 4 months, which is very huge. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost. The coin explicitly is up by 93.53%, with the greatest truly normal cost of the coin especially was around $0.002, and the base in every way that really matters, normal cost of explicitly was around $0.002 and beyond 4 months. Velo value figure for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2030. We anticipate future Velo cost expectations Velo gauges by applying commonly profound pretty fake learning specialized investigation on the authentic value information of Velo. We in a real sense give our all to generally gather genuinely most extreme verifiable information for the Velo coin, which incorporate numerous variables like genuinely past value, market cap, volume and more in an unobtrusive way. Assuming that you are looking to fundamentally put resources into cryptographic money market, try to basically peruse our forecasts, which sort of is very huge. Velo value expectation for 2023 as per our conjecture, in 2023, the cost of Velo is supposed to reach at a sort of least value level of $0.024. The Velo cost can explicitly arrive at a greatest worth of $0.027, with the typical exchanging cost of $0.027 in an unpretentious manner. Velo value expectation for 2024, according to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2024, The cost of Velo essentially is anticipated to reach at least worth of $0.038. The Velo cost can arrive at a kind of most extreme degree of $0.044, with the typical exchanging cost of $0.039 in an unobtrusive manner. Velo Value Conjecture 2025-2026. The cost of Velo is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.054 in 2025. The Velo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.065, with the truly normal cost of $0.056 all through 2025 in a significant manner. The cost of Velo is explicitly anticipated to, for the most part, reach at any rate level of $0.077 in 2026 in a huge manner. The Velo cost can arrive at an essentially most extreme degree of $0.096, with the typical cost of $0.079 all through 2026. Velo Value Expectation for 2027. Velo cost especially is figured to generally arrive at a sort of the most minimal degree of 11 cents in 2027, which is genuinely critical. According to our discoveries, the Velo cost could arrive at an, in every way that really matters, greatest degree of 13 cents. With the typical gauge cost of 11 cents, which especially is very huge. Velo Value Expectation for 2028. As per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of Velo, in 2028, the cost of Velo is determined to really be at around a kind of least worth of 15 cents, or so they thought. The Velo value worth can generally arrive at an especially limit of 19 cents. With the typical exchanging worth of 16 cents in United States dollars, in a sort of huge way. Velo Value Expectation for 2029. The cost of one Velo is supposed to reach at any rate level of 22 cents in 2029. The Velo cost can arrive at an extremely greatest degree of 0.27, with the typical cost of 22 cents, all through 2029. Velo Value Expectation Gauge for 2030. According to the figure and genuinely profound specialized examination, in 2030, the cost of Velo truly is supposed to explicitly reach at a really least value worth of 32 cents, in a kind of huge manner. The Velo cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of 38 cents, with the sort of typical worth of 33 cents, which is genuinely huge. Velo Value Expectation for 2031. The cost of Velo generally is supposed to reach at least worth of 45 cents in 2031. The Velo cost could arrive at an extremely greatest worth of 55 cents, with the typical exchanging cost of 46 cents all through 2031, in an unobtrusive manner. Velo Value Expectation for 2032. Velo cost, all things considered, is conjectured to arrive at a most minimal truly conceivable degree of 66 cents in 2032. According to our discoveries, the Velo cost could basically arrive at a truly most extreme sort of conceivable degree of 77 cents, with the typical estimate cost of 68 cents, or so they thought. What basically is the Velo cost today? Today the cost of Velo truly is 0.025, with the market cap of 31,167,110.000, which is very huge. What will sort of be the Velo in every practical sense? Most noteworthy, certainly anticipated cost.